Hi, let's work on ETUDE together, number 14 in Suzuki Book 1. First to start, find your fourth finger G on the D string. Open up the hand. For my students, I tell us to learn this without using our thumb. We're going to try and keep a finger on the cello as much as possible so that our intonation is better. So here's an E. We're going to go slow, just practice along with me. Hold, hold, 4 open, 1 hold, 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 hold. Hold the first, second finger. Hold the second finger. Hold, just like the beginning. Hold, hold, hold. Here you're just in the air. Bring that first finger back straight. Hold. Hold. One hold. Bring all fingers down here. All fingers. 4 open, 1 hold. 4 open, 1 hold, hold, hold. All fingers down. All fingers down. We'll do it a little bit faster now. 1, 2, open G, fourth finger G. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play the doubles along with that speed or anything faster, but use this video, back up, do it again. Good luck. Practice this many times.